Okay, we picked this up from Big W today. Yes, it's the Action Team Construction Zone. And express wheels. Open her up. Hey! Here's the receipt.
Hello, Rosie.
Hello, receipt. Oh, all right. We're going to turn it over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Help you. Okay. Alright, gonna need 2 hands for this one. Alright, do you want to pull it? Wow. Oh. So it's in 2 parts like that because this part we keep. Oh, what's that? Helipad. Gotta be careful because we want to keep this part.
We are busy.
Oh, yeah, you twist them. Twist the other way. This way. Can get good help these days. Thanks, Don. Loader. And what have you got? Helicopter. What's those? Cones and a sign that says area under construction. You're good at helicopter noises.
What's this? More cones.
More cones. Let's open these up.
Yeah.
1 free. And the dump truck free.
Open this.
Yeah, open that.
Dump it out. What's it?
Yeah, dump out the dirt.
Roller.
It says to cut, so we're gonna cut. Unboxing complete. Yeah. All right.
Only fucking in me.
Yep, all the working trucks go in the car park. Pretty far inside, apparently. Around here, there we go. Hello in there. What's next? The dump truck.
Roller first.
Roller first. Oh, okay. Roller first. Roll, 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 roll. Oh. Looks like the roller fits on top, darling. Put the roller on top over here. And I'll get your helicopter for you. There you go. Ah! Land on the helipad. Yep. Back him up, darling. There you go. And here's your working, guys. Alright, Larry, time to go to work. Yeah, righto, Bob. Let's give it another go today, hey? Phones in the back. With the men in the back. Here we go. Burp, burp. Sign on top, right? And roll, 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 roll. Come on, mate. Time for work.
I'm coming.
Get in there. Oh no, they had a crash.
Come on, mate.
Come on, mates. We can do better than this.
Lift it up, just
Yep, lift up the back.
what's it?
Oh, you can't.
Can't.
You can't. There we go.
Come on, mate.
Come on, mate. I don't think the cones are going to fit through the door, darling. You'll have to just pick them up. There we go. And what are the cones for? Do you remember?
Yeah.
They're to say, this is a construction site. You can't come here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. To our rubbish pile. It's a bit of a construction site, isn't it? Lift it up.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Tip out.
Tip it out.
Hey, there's not going. Not going.
Oh, back into its house. Okay.
Oh.
Oh,
See?
oh yeah.
A big cobbler.
Big helicopter. Let me get a good look at him. Oh, he's got a jackhammer. Jackhammer. And this one. Landed on the man. Hey, you didn't do a very good job of looking where you're going. I'm going for a ride. This is fun. He's going to do some jackhammering on the roof. And land.
A dump truck.
Are your dump trucks over here? He's been working hard this whole time. Good on you, mate.
Come on, mate.
Come on, mate. Let's get on with the day. Oh. Good parking skills. And then pick up the cones.
Lay down.
Lie them down. Oh, hiding in the box? I see you. Hello in there. Hello. Oh, how'd he come? Good, my delivery is here. This is exactly what I needed. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm not playing right.
Yes.
Oh, through the tailgate. Okay. They just don't fit, darling. I was just trying to help. Back in the house. Oh no, he's stuck. He's bringing the whole bag with him. Whoa! Hey! Oh, free. Back home safe.
Playing my nose.
Yeah, playing with those.
I'm also playing.
Yeah. Fast.
Rolling a cookie.
Rolling the concrete, yeah. That's what it does. It makes it flat, doesn't it?
Cones.
Cones. Working man. Cone. Man. Cone. And your loader. These are pretty cool. Dump. It says dump.
Dump.
Yes. We're going to have a lot of fun with these, aren't we? Yes, we are. Okay. Say thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.